Yeah, it's just a lot of things that I can't explain to nobody. It's my thoughts I be thinking about. I just can't seem to express it to nobody. So I had to put it in a song. I know it's tough talking about it, but I'll put it in a song for you. Maybe you have the time and you listen to it. I may be here still, or I may not. Nobody knows the day we go. I just find it crazy that I can't express it. There's a little speech, but you guys gotta know that I'm always gonna love you. Yeah. All these pains and all these thoughts that go through my head, I can't explain to nobody, but I keep that to myself. Bury me inside my heart, I cannot explain, but you know this shit that I go through, you don't wanna go through it. Yeah, I lost my little nephew, I lost my dad, I lost my brother-in-law. He was like a brother. We were going through it all. Now we'll reminisce about all the good things that we have all been through. All the memories will stay within my heart. In my mind I will think about it, but I don't want to tell nobody about it. Cause I can't express my feelings, I cannot tell nobody, so I keep that to myself. But that's just little bit what goes through my mind, what goes through my head, what I keep inside. Yeah, what I keep inside, nobody needs to know. I don't want you feeling this kind of low. I know that all of our loved ones are gone, but we can't do nothing about it, so we just keep it in our heart. We keep it, think about it, reminiscing all the good times, everything that we've been through. Now look at what I'm doing, I'm sitting here thinking to myself, what should I do? So I roll up and I keep going through my day, through my night, everything. I just reminisce, don't need to know my thoughts, don't need to know my heart. If you know me well, then you would understand, but you don't. So I say, keep thinking all to yourself. I keep that shit buried in my heart. I go through this and I go through that. Just know it's crazy what life will put you through.